Okay. Set tayo ng ano. Okay, welcome po tayo mga basketball fans for other game night tonight. Welcome na po sa ating championship day po ng Doha Friendly League, dubbed as a Titos and Titas League. This league is brought to you by the following sponsors. Ito po yan, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala and Thread the Needles. Sampan din po ang SBB Pilipinas, QBFR Pula Prepris po, SPB Dot Chapter, and PSBQ Basketball League. Also, first game for tayo basketball for second place. It's between Airport United versus Doignan, of course, followed by the championship, the finals. Yan po ang CAS versus the In-Flights. Maraming salamat po, and ika po, first quarter coming up right now. Both teams, galant stand po, ginawa po nila pareha po niyan, pero syempre, meron nga pong mananalo, meron pong matatalo that time, pero still, it's a classic talaga, yun nangyari po dun. Though Ignite fallen short po after too long overtime sa ating ano, and of course, ito naman po, late rally naman po, still but not enough po sa Airport United. First quarter matchup now, coming up now. Yan po si Mr. J, number 24. Si Mr. N26, si Nang Gamkiao. Nansing Gayo, number 9. And also, may dalawa pa po parating po. And afterwards po, yan na po, nag-aanda na po sila. Ayan na, ang bata niya, matindi ang atleto. Ayan na, para po sa itong matinding bakbakan, mamya. Brad, wag niyong gawing tatlong overtime, mamya, ha? Lugi kami. Bakit yung tatlong overtime, mamya? Okay, first quarter action. Start right now. Battle for third place. Of course, Airport United clad in blue versus clad mga green boys po yan, ang Doha Ignite. Let's start. Okay, Bantay versus Salud. Ang mga ano, Bantay will go now for a small center against Salud. First quarter, and nakakuha po ni 26. Binato kagad. Manalo, 2 points. Manalo, 2 points again now. 29 to Labrado. Labrado, binababa ang bola. Labrado, binababa ang bola. Okay, thinking 3. Saan siya pumunta? Ayan na. Si Custer. And no good. Traveling violation called by the referee. Number 3 called for the traveling violation. Again, now number 26 for the inbound out kay Mr. J. Number 24. 24, binababa ang bola. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. Salud. And lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Doignite ang bola. Doignite. 0 tong score po nila. 2-point lead po. Doignite. Number 26. Aspan, no good. Rebound by Mr. Salud. Labrado, binababa ang bola ni Labrado. Labrado, side step move. Nawala ang bola bagya. Nakumuli, Salud. Tesoro. Number 16. Nice one. Nice slice by number 16. Tabla. Baseball pass na kay Manalo. Red. Blue shirts now guarding the paint. Eto na, Bantay for 3. Wala. Palpal. Foul. May foul po. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Number 29 called for a foul. Sa Airport United, Manalo shooting for 2. Hando po ng, of course, Team LBC. Hari ng Padala. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready for Manalo. 3 tong score po natin yon. Manalo, 3 tong score. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, battle 1 by 29. Airport United. Binababa ang bola. Nakuha ni Manalo ang bola. Manalo again. Ayun! Fade away shot. Difficult shot. Nakuha ni Labrado ang bola. Labrado, binababa ang bola. Labrado. Side step move. Ayun! Sa gire. Kapos. One more time. Pops up. No good. Labrado. Hustle play by Labrado. Ale. No good. Binaba bola. Ayan na, binaba bola. 17. Pass to 17. Lost the ball. Balik pa rin po. Bumaba ng mga blue shirts. Dish of pass, pops up, no good. Rebound by Salud. Foul committed by Manalo. Foul on Manalo. 2-3 po score po natin. Both teams try to salvage what is left po para sa battle for third between Airport United and of course yan po ang Team Doha Ignite. Ayun na, Salud. Nice one by Tesoro. Dumulas. Binabambola, Aspan, binabambola. Aspan, 2 on 3. Bantay. Nice nice steal completed by Mr. Labrado. Na walang bola. Salud. Labrado, malakas. Jamuyot. Manalo for 2. Bang! 2 points Manalo. Manalo 2 points. Ale. And now to Mr. Salud. Na walang bola kay Salud. Labrado, binabang bola. Labrado to Zagire. Salud, nasa kanyang zone. Pops up, kapos, one more time to Salud. Tap away, still completed by Aspan against Ali. Manalo, Aspan, 2 points Aspan. 2-7 naman na po na 5 ang Team Do Ignite. Tesoro, na walang bola muli pa rin. 2 on 3 situation. Jamuyot, no good. Rebound by Ali. Nope, it's Aspan. Aspan thinking, ayaw niya muna. Number 3 for 3 points, no good. And out of bounds. Out of bounds. Balik muli po tayo sa Airport United pang bola. Labrado. Nonong Rivera is watching. Ari Sila is watching. And maraming salamat po. Battle for third po tayo. Salud, no good. Ali. Zagire for 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound one more time to Ali. Labrado. Thinking 2. Loop. Salud. No good. Wala pa rin. And who's ball rep? Green ball. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 coming up. Change 5 po tayo. Okay, yan po si Corpus, Eric Grama, Chudilax, Munoz at si Candol. Kabila naman, same pa rin po. Maliban lang kay number 12 para sa Do Ignite. Okay, balik tayo. 26 for the inbound. Sir, di ba ba? 26 for the inbound. Tatanggap si Mr. number 12. Binababa ang bola. Lisbo. It's Lisbo. Aspan. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Aspan. Okay, Manalo, nilabas muna para kay Jamuyot. Game. Okay, 8 na po kalamangan ng Team Ignite over Airport United. Candol, Eric, Candol, Chudilax. Nice cut by Corpus, 2 points. Corpus, 2 points. Laman ng 6. Lisbo. Purificado. Binato. Kespan. Pops up. 3 points na naman. Binan natin ng Aspan. Aspan, 3 points. Lamang ng Corpus. Naku, walang pinansahan. Corpus fumbled. 4-30 na score. Lamang po ng Siyam ang team ang team, alam na po natin yan, ang team Do Ignite, the Green Boys, lamang.
Relax this one, bro. Relax this one. Good.
Okay, Lisbo. Binababa bola ni Lisbo. Pops up, Aspan na naman. 3 points na naman. Aspan, 3 points. Aspan, 3 points, 4-16 na score. Laman na po ng 12. Kandol. Kandol, driving strong. Chu Deluxe for 3. No good. Oy, kanina yan. Chu Deluxe sa rebound. Chu Deluxe. Foul. Motion foul called. Chu Deluxe for the inbound. Julius Mabag is watching. Ian Villanueva is watching. Chu Deluxe for the inbound. Chu Deluxe for the inbound. Eto na. Mr. Kandol. 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 Lamang na po ng 12 ang Do Ignite. Munoz. Thinking 3. Wag muna raw. Eto na. Pops up Kandol. Bang. No good. And touch last by Chu Deluxe. Ay, dito. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Pops up, Lisbo. No good. Again, pops up. 2 points. Bantay, 2 points. 2 minutes 29 remaining. 4-18 ang score. Kandol. Kandol. Nawala ang bola. Ito na naman. Kay Purificado. Lasinggoyo. No good. Pops up. Bantay. 2 points bantay. And timeout called by Team Airport United. Airport United trailing behind no by 16 points. Ay, sir. Oh, need support. Trailing behind by now 16 points already. Ganito ang nangyari sa kanila noong nakaraang linggo. Nabounce sila ng todo. Nang huli, sila po'y umabante. Umarurot bigla, pero kinapusipon sila. Sa loob na lang kayo, boss. Sa loob na lang kayo. Sa may kurtina. Sa loob. Sa loob na lang kayo. Di pa tayo sa loob na lang. Game. Sana doon na sa loob. Sa mga kurtina. Game. Ito na. Kandol. Binababa ang bola. Kandol. Last 2 minutes. First quarter action. Chu Deluxe. Munoz for 3. No good. Break. A minute and 56 remaining. Lisbo. Jamuyot for 3. No good. Rebound by Bantay. 2 points, Bantay. Bantay 2 points. 4-22. A daunting 18-point lead already been posted. Chu Deluxe, nakawala. Chu Deluxe. Easy 2, no good. Binaba. Nawala ang bola. Ayun, nakuha. Nice interception by Kandol. Kandol. Malalim. Chu Deluxe, against Bantay. Number 12, Lisbo, floating shot, 2 points. 57 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Eric Grama, binababa ang bola. Eric. Chu Deluxe for 3. Nope, it's Munoz. Bang! 3 points, Munoz. Munoz, 3 points. ...39 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. Bantay. Aspan for 3 again. No good. Jamuyot lost the ball. 70 seconds remaining. Kandol. 10 seconds. Jamuyot and Kandol. Double team. Chudilax for 3. No good. Okay, that's it. First quarter action ended. First quarter action ended na po tayo. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. You're watching right now. You're watching right now the teams of Airport United versus yan po yan, Do Ignite. Battle for third po tayo. Afterwards, of course, a finals action po tayo between In-Flights and, of course, Team CAS. Second quarter action start. Now si Soliano. Inbounding si Mr. Soliano. 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 To Labrado. Labrado. Binababa ang bola. Labrado. Salud. Eto na. Salud. Wala. Malakas. Number 24. Zagire. Up. Green ball. Green ball. Sabi daw green ball daw. Sabi daw green ball. Sabi ni Rep Kapitan green ball daw. Okay, overruled. Overruled. Blue ball. Overruled. Blue ball. 5 to shoot. Soliano pops up. Bang! 2 points. Soliano. Soliano, 2 points. Kenji Carbonell is watching. Bornok Grimm is watching also. Aspan. Binabatay ni Arco para sa kanya. Isa pa daw. Lisbo, Aspan. Aspan, binabatayan. Difficult shot. Nice rebound by Zagire. Zagire. Soliano. Soliano, binato kay Salud ang bola. Salud, Salud. Salud against Lisbo. To Zagire. Zagire, ayun! Nice, sayang. Sayang yung play sana, pero hindi po mabra. Balik muli po sa Ignite ang bola. 26. To Lisbo. Lisbo, binababa ang bola. To Bantay. Binabantay si Bantay. Pops up, Manalo, no good. Rebound, bye! Nako, sayang. Nice hustle play by Morgan. Kaibigan Morgan, kamusta na? Morgan, nice rebound by Morgan. Si kaibigan Morgan. Morgan, now to Labrado. Ayun, sayang. Nice defense by Green Boys. And now, pops up. Ay. Take 2 si Mr. Lisbo. Lisbo, take 2. Take 2 si Mr. Lisbo. And also foul called on Labrado. 9:24 po score po natin. At 7:46 remaining. Second quarter action. Second shot to Lisbo. Jumpers ready. Laban po ng 15. Pops up. Wala pareho. Green ball. Green ball. 14 second shot clock again. Given. Manalo. Lisbo for 3. No good. Rebound by Soliano. Labrado. Zagire. Patok ang bola. Tapos ang bola kay Zagire. Balik tayo. Eto na. Bantay for 3. No good. Pass up. Foul and one play by Espan. Foul on Morgan. Aspan shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. Labang muli po ng 15. Plus bonus free throw pa. Possible 3-point play also. 11-26 score po natin. Aspan. Pops up. Pasok. Play completed. 11-27. Laban ng 16. 7 minutes 7 remaining. Second quarter action. Morgan for 3. Bang! Binawi naman ni Morgan. Nakayang kamalian. Morgan 3 points. Laban muli po ng 13. Zagire nalusutan. Lisbo. Manalo. Against Labrado. Manalo. Pops up. Nawala ang bola. Ayun! Nice cut by Aspan. Salud. Again. Kumat. Pasok ang bola. Pumasok ang bola. Nice shot by Mr. Labrado. Lisbo. Manalo. Binabantayan. Dalawa. Fadeaway shot. Pasok ang bola. Walang takot yun. Kahit padirang binangga. 2 shot, 2 points po para kay Manalo. And now to Mr. Soliano. Hindi handa si Salud. Nice one. Foul. Hell ball situation. Sorry. Hell ball situation. Whose ball, rep? Same ball daw. Green ball. Same ball po tayo, sabi ng mga referee. Lisbo. Floater shot. No good. Rebound by Salud. Nakuha ni Soliano ang bola. Salud, binumaba ang bola. And Labrado. Salud. Pinitas ang bola. Hindi po. Aspan. Kinuha yung bola ng Aspan. Lisbo. Aspan for 3. Pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Aspan. Still completed again. Pops up. No good. Zagire. No. Blue ball. (16:34) ang score. Laban po ng 18 ang Team Ignite. Morgan 2 points. 2 points kaibigan Morgan, 2 points. Manalo. Aspan, binabantay na. Aspan, the drive. Nako, kapos. Labrado lumusot. 2 points Labrado. And okay. Tapos na po ang 5 minutes. Another set of pairs na naman para po, Next 5 po. Who's next 5? Please take note po ang team po ng Ignite medyo depleted po ang kanilang bench. We'll see if they will last for another 2 more quarters. After this quarter po. Green ball. Okay, second quarter. Half po ito. Team po ni Chudelax and company. Pumasok na po. Along with Eric Grama, Andol, Ali, and Mr. Corpus. Kabila naman si Manalo. Nasingayo, Lispo, Jamuyot, and of course si Bantay. Jamuyot for 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Nakawalang bola. Nakawalang bola kay Mr. Corpus. Bantay for 3 again. Take 3. Cylinder. Take 3. Si Bantay. Foul on Corpus. 3 shots given para kay Bantay. Number 9. Doha. Ignite. First shot, no good. Second shot. Bantay, second throw. Pasok. Last throw, Bantay. Jumpers ready. Last throw, Bantay. Jumpers ready. Number 9. Pops up. Missed. Rebound, Ali. Corpus. Grama. Grama, binababa ang bola. Nako, muntik na. Nakuha nga. Pops up, offline. Shot, pero pumasok. Nice shot kay Manalo. Manalo, 2 points. 20-37, labang na 17. Team Ignite. Chudelas. Intercepted. Okay, 2 points against Lisbo. Easy to again. Timeout called by Airport United. (20-39), a 19-point lead been posted again by Team Ignite. Though Ignite, the Green Boys are leading the way. Tara. Okay, balik po tayo. Alex Solder is watching. Also si Mr. Adrian So is watching also. Binabati ko po kayo, mga aking mga viewers po right now. Si Dan Villeneuve is watching. Si Sir Alice is watching. Non Rivera is watching. Mr. So is watching also. No, sa base, August po pala, mid-August po nandiyan na pumuli po ang ating pinakabangan, ang pagbabalik, ang Aviation Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. SG. Exit for 3. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. SG. Corpus. Chudilax. Touch pass. Oh, Chudilax. 2 points. Chudilax 2 points. 22-39. 70-point lead been posted by Doha Ignite. Lisbo. Jamuyot. Lisbo. Nice pass. Rebound by Ali. Chudilax. SG. Kandol driving strong. Palpal. Di pa yan. Ticket. Pangit. Balik tayo. Hop! Ano yun? Foul number 9. 40 seconds to shoot again. Chudilax lost the ball. Ano nga? 1 minute 45 remaining. Lisbo. Nice steal by Chudilax. Intercepted almost by Lisbo. Ito na tayo. Eric Grama, binababa ang bola. SG Eric. Nice D by Mr. Purificado. Or number 26 rather. Na si Goyo. Kandol driving strong. Again, ayun kay Eric. Eric pops up for 2. No good. Good ball. Ali. Traveling. No, take. Foul, foul. It's a foul called. Sorry po, it's a foul called. Eric Grama. Chudelax. Eric Grama for 2. No good. Rebound. Kandol! Stepping on dahil nga lang. Sayang. Stepping on dahil si Kandol. 23 seconds remaining. Manalo. 16 seconds remaining. Ang ginawa po ng Do Ignite, sinigurado na tambakin nila kung saan mapagod sila. Kahit pa paano, meron silang pondong kalamangan pagpatak ng fourth quarter. Jamuyot, no good. Rebound, no good. Hindi po na. And out, time out na rin po tayo. Standby po tayo para sa third quarter action. You're watching right now the game between Battle for Third po tayo, Airport United versus Do Ignite. And afterwards po is of course the finals between CAS and In-Flights. This is your Do Friendly League, dubbed as the Titos and Titas League. This league game is brought by Team LBC and of course Thread the Needles. Samahan po natin po ang part of by SBB Pilipinas or Economic Popular Referees. And of course PSBG Basketball League, ang liga naman sikat. Ito po ang PSBG Basketball League. Samahan natin po ang first game po tayo. Battle po second place po tayo, Airport United and of course Do Ignite. Battle po second po yan ha. Then mamaya po, paglalabanan po, championship po tayo. Back to the ball game. Okay, final 20 minutes po sa ating battle for second place or battle for third. Blue ball. Kandol for the inbound. Ayan na. Salud. Malalim. 2 points salud. Ito na. Ito na ba ang kanilang sinasabi? Resurgence? Malalaman po natin yan. 24-39. Ang 15 ang kalamangan po ng Team Ignite. Tinambakan po nila po ng todo ang Airport United para po pagpatak po ng fourth quarter. Meron po silang malaking kalamangan para pondo po yan. Aspan for 3. Bang! Aspan! Aspan 3 points. Yung 3 point ni Aspan. Nawala. Nice one by Kandol. Kandol! Kapos! Blue ball. Nice interception by Kandol. Kandol. Nice shot. Ito po tayong yon. Kandol. Labrado. Inbounding. Salud. Thinking 3. Bang! 3 points. Chudelax against Manalo. Intercepted, seal completed. Labrado again. Labrado. Labrado. Nice shot by Tesoro pero nandun si Salud. 2 points Salud. 29-42. Lamang na labing tatlo. Labang na labing tatlo. 29-42. Pataya. Sige po, eto na. Lisbo. Lisbo. Bantay. Pops up. 2 points. Pamatay sunog. 15 muli kalamangan. Tesoro. Tesoro. Salud. Ayun kay Tesoro. Tesoro. 2 points Tesoro. Sorry. Tesoro 2 points. Aspan. Aspan, photo shot, walang foul. Salud. Binato kay Labrado. Labrado, 2 points Labrado. Labrado 2 points. And a timeout called by Team Ano po natin yan, Team Doha Ignite. Mukhang nakaamoy yata ng dugo na ngayon ang Team Airport United. Kaya nag-time ito po ang Doha Ignite. And for sure, please take note po. Real talk lang po tayo, medyo depleted po ang bench po ng Doha Ignite. Possibly yung fatigue factor pumapasok na po para sa kanila. Posible pa, pero tingnan po natin yan kung magagawa pa na po ng Doha Ignite. Ano po na doon, medyo malalim po ang bench po ngayon ng Airport United. They want to win this game also. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Back to the ball game. Green ball ang mag-inbound. Green ball po mag-inbound. Ayan po. Lisbo. Against Candol. Aspan. Bantay. Wala. Dilabas muna. Bantay naman. Bantay. Aspan for 3. Foul. Take 3. Ouch. Masakit yun. Cylinder. Aspan, first shot. In. Aspan, second throw. Aspan, second throw. No good. Number 8, technical foul slap on number 8 kay Candol. Mukhang ano kasi, di nga matanggap yung tinawag sa kanya. Aspan, technical free throw. Pops up. It's out. Second, okay. Third last throw. Last throw, jumpers ready. Last throw, jumpers ready. Last throw, jumpers ready po yan. 33-45, laman na 12 ang Team Ignite. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Tesoro. Nando si Chudilak. Tesoro again. Tesoro, binaba ang bola. Labrado against Manalo. Labrado, binabata ni Manalo. Magandang matchup po itong madalang po. Labrado, Tesoro, thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Pops up. No! Pasok ang bola. 3 points. Don't look now. A 9-point lead already being posted by Mr. Ignite. Umaan na po ang Team Airport United. Umaalago na, pabalik. No good. Rebound by Chudelax. I think it's the fatigue factor na start to setting in for Airport Core for Doha Ignite. Salud! 2 points Salud! 38-45. Laman ng 7. Depleted kasi bench ng Doha Ignite eh. Wala sila Nalos, wala sila ano. Yung team nila na wala rin dyan eh. Baka ano. Hop! Stepping on the line. Again, balik muli po si Airport United ng bola. Tesoro, nilabas muna. SG pinasok. Candol. Labrado, SG. Labrado, SG again. SG. Salud, posisyon. Salud, Labrado. SG, nakawala. Pops up. Bang! 3 points. Play designed for SG. Pumasok. 5 minutes and 21 remaining. 41-45. This come from a height of almost 20 points. Now down to 4 points. Para po sa Doha Ignite. Still completed. SG, Labrado, Salud, and one play, binigay. Salud, bonus free throw coming up. 43-45. Pag na-shoot po ito, isa na lang ang kalamangan. Teka lang, ano nangyari? Okay. Munoz, requested already to be on the bench, please. Umano kasi sana sa ano yata, si Munoz. Salud, bonus free throw coming up. Munoz, thank you. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Bantay. Nakuha ni Salud ang bola. Nakuha ni Chudilax ang bola. Bola ni Chudilax. Foul! I think the fatigue factor is setting in already para sa Ignite talaga. 5-6 lang sila. Isa lang po pamalit nila. And timeout called by Ignite. 4 minutes, 53 seconds remaining. Ignite hanging on a 2-point lead. 43-45. This game is brought to you by Team LBC, hari ng padala. And of course, ito po ang Thread and Needles Tailoring or uniforms by Thread and Needles. Back to the ball game. Candol for the inbound. Candol. Inbound di Candol. Ito na. Candol. Salud! And one play na naman binigay kay Salud. Salud. Yung kanina parang bread and butter open si Salud. 45 all tayo. Salud, first lead to be tasted after 3 quarters ng Airport United. Pops up. Tapos, rebound by Labrado. Tabla. Eric Grama. Eric. Candol, Dumaray, pops up. Pasok, panlamang ng dalawa. Lamang ng dalawa na ngayon ng Airport United. First lead, tasted after 3 quarters. Manalo, double team. And, wala na. Stepping on the line. Eto na muli po tayo. Bababa na naman si Mr. Candol. Binato kay Chudilax ang bola. Salud. Naipit ang konti. Wala. Pushing foul kay Salud. Salud po for the push. Salud call for the push. Balik muli po tayo. Eto na sila. They're trying to salvage back the lead. Para sa Doha Ignite. Bantay, double teamed. Oy! Good ball. Ayun, Manalo. No good. Rebound. 2 points. 2 points. Aspan, 2 points. Hop! Double dribble. Tablados po tayo sa 47. Okay, Airport United, nagtawag muna po ng timeout to talk things over. ano, Ascals natin. Napalita ka ba? Sa Ascals natin? Ha? Okay. Qualified na? Eh, yung babae yun. Eh, yung babae natin. Ay, laki rin. Ay, good. Sige. Back to the ball game. 47 po tayo. 3 minutes 17 remaining. Third quarter action. The story so far, almost 3 quarters lumaman po ang Do Ignite. Ngayon lang nakabalik ang Airport United. Number 26, Lisbo. Thinking 3, ayaw niya. Labrado, binabantayan si Lisbo. Oy! Nice one by Manalo. Nice shot by Manalo. Scott, barang dabi sa Scott. Dapat nandito ka para kinukots mo yung mga bata mo. Kandol, lost the ball! Lost the ball, foul! Nice foul by Kandol. Nice hustle play by Kandol. Parang mabilis ang batang Quiapong moves yun Binanatang kagad ng ganun lang. Balik tayo. Kandol. Kandol driving strong. 2 points Kandol. Nagalit na si Kandol. Gusto ni Kandol, kami mananalo dito. Nasinggayo. Pops up. Dope. It's Manalo. Floater shot. Malakas. Joe Delax. Rebound. Foul. Maglalaro ka? Mangkal? Yung trophy sa'yo na lang. Penalty situation. Team Ignite. Joe Delax shooting for 2. Joe Delax shooting for 2. First shot, Joe Delax. It's in. Second throw, jumper ready. 50-47 ang score. Lamang na po ng tatlo ang Airport United after 3 quarters. Joe Delax, second throw. Pops up. Uy! In. Mano din sa ngata siya ng saspan. Okay, salud. Labas mo na siya salud. Pinagpahinga muna. Salud, pinagpahinga muna salud. Pinaganda para sa fourth quarter action. Lisbo, 2 minutes 17 remaining. Lamang ng 4 na po ang Airport United. Lisbo nakawala. Aspan for 3. Wala na. And Kujilak sa Kujilak sa rebound. SG. Grama against Lisbo. Kandol. Thinking to slash away. Nope. It's Judelax. 2 points Judelax. Poetic justice ang ginawa ni Judelax. Parang nagbabalay lang yung tao. And now, Bantay. Lisbo kumihin ng pick. Ayaw. Ayan na. Number 9. Aspan. Running shot. Nope. Intercepted. Zagire again. Pops up. Naku. A minute and 18 remaining. Thinking 3. Nope. Driving strong. Pops up. 2 points. Manalo 2 points. Balik tayo. Ito na tayo ngayon. Eric Grama naman. 50-49. Labang ng 3. Labang ng 4 ang Team Airport United. Troy Lomtong is watching. Salamat po. Eric Grama. Driving strong. Floater shot. No good. Tap away. Now to Kandol. Driving strong. 2 points Kandol. Bantay. Manalo. Bumi ng bola. Manalo for 3. Bang! 3 points Manalo. Manalo 3 points. Parang tinion lang Tumira si Manap. Parang umalis lang bigla. Nice shot by Manalo. 21 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Candol. Shoot Deluxe. Sa ilalim. Duko sa ilalim. Walang foul. And same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Zagire for the inbound. Zagire for the inbound. Zagire to Chu Deluxe. Chu Deluxe. Nawala ang bola kay Chu Deluxe. Foul! 3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds game clock. Wala pa. Wala pa penalty. 3 seconds remaining. Manalo. 2 seconds. Wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters, lamang po ng tatlo ang Airport United, 52-55. Please take note po, for the past 3 quarters, lamang po ang Go Ignite. Pero ngayon lang po, umuli po, nakakalawit o nakagapang pabalik po ang Airport United. I think the fatigue factor now setting in na para sa Go Ignite. Dahil anim lang sila kung tutusin eh. Anim lang sila kung tutusin. Tsaka medyo malalim po ang bench po ng Airport United. Pero tignan po natin kung ano magagawa po ng Go Ignite po dito at this point. And afterwards po, of course, championship match po tayo. Basketball action. Championship po tayo between In-Flights and, of course, CAS. Okay, final quarter coming up. Si Zagire nagmamando na. Along with Munoz. Okay, ito na. Final 10 minutes para malaman sino po ang mananalo ng second runner-up or battle for third. Manalo for the inbound. Nice shoes by Manalo. Manalo. Jamuyot. Pinagpahingin mo na si Bantay. Nasinggayo. Lisbo. Nasinggayo. Driving strong. Palpal. Hindi. And rebound to the lax. Eric Grama. Candol. 9 minutes 41 remaining. Labrado. Salud! Malakas ang pasa! Malakas ang pasa ni Salud. Papunta kay Salud ang bola. Lisbo. Nasyonggayo. Sundot sa likod. Hindi. Aspan. Nakawala. Oh! Foul po. Foul kay Aspan. Okay. Foul number 9, Salud. Nasyonggayo. Aspan, humingi ng bola. Lisbo. Nawala ang bola. Nice steal. Labrado. Nako, sayang. Push pa rep. Wala. Anspo foul called para sa against Go Ignite. Candol, first shot. Pasok. Candol, second throw, plus ball possession. Candol, second throw, plus ball possession. Pops up. Both basket made. And ball possession pa ng Airport United. Anspo kasi tinawag. Kandol. Kandol nakalusot. Kandol pops up. Bang! 2 points, Kandol. Binato ang bola. Lisbon. Nako! Muntik na. Same ball. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Nawala ang bola! Kandol! Kandol! Kapos! Foul! Kay Labrado. Labrado called for a foul. The score is 59-51. Labang ng 8 ang Airport United. Ilan pinapasok si Bantay? Lisbo. Jambuyot, pumuposisyon. Lisbo. Aspan also pumuposisyon. Aspan, thinking 3. Binabantayan na. Lisbo. Nice swamp. Good ball. Good ball. Swiped away by Airport United. Zagire, pasok muna para kay Kandol. Mukhang maganda ginawa ni Kandol. Ali also pasok muna para kay Mr. Chudilax, quality minutes for also kay Chudilax. Nilabas muna para sa crucial. 2 points, Aspan. Difficult shot by Aspan. Lamang ng 6 ang Ignite. Salud. Ali. Traveling violation. Sayang. Nice try by Ali. Number 12, Lisbo. Number 12, Lisbo. Number 26, Jamuyot. Palpal ng bagya. Rebound, Zagire. Labrado. SG. Lost the ball. Good ball. Zagire. Zagire. 2 points, Zagire. Zagire, 2 points. 7 minutes remaining. 71-53. Laman na wali na naman ang Team Airport United. Lisbo. 2 points sana. Lisbo shooting for 2. Okay, Bantay. Pasok na si Bantay. Okay, Jamuyot, labas muna para kay Bantay. Kandol, papasok na rin para kay Nino. Para kay Eric. Pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumper straight, 6 minutes 52 remaining. 61-54. Still possible pa rin po para sa Do Ignite to take back the lead. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Zagire. Nakuha ni Labrado ang bola. Salud! Foul sa ilalim. Down po tayo. Number 8 for the inbound. Salud, naghahanap ng mapasahan po si Kandol, Zagire, pops up, Kandol, wala. Rebound by Ali, pushing foul ang binigay sa kanya. Ali called for the push. Substitution made now. Ali labas muna para kay Chudilax. 6 minutes 38 remaining, 61-54, lamang po ng 7 ang Airport United. Lasinggayo, pops up, ayaw muna niya. Lisbo taking 3. No good. Same ball. 40-second shot clock. Manalo naman. Wala pa rin. Naku, shoot lang ang bola. No, hindi. Napunta kami ng bola. Wala pa rin. Nice one by Labrado. Foul! Mukhang maganda to. After this, we'll expect war between CAS and in-flights. Both benches full pack. Nakita po natin yan. Labrado sa ilalim. Zagire muna. Zagire, muntik na. Foul! 26 called for a foul. 5 minutes 52 remaining. 4th team foul already been committed by Team Ignite. Warning for penalty. And Candol, Zagire, Labrado, pops up, bang, bok, wala. Rebound by Salud. Hop! Green ball. Green ball, sabi na referee, green ball. And 5 minutes 30 remaining, 61-54. Aspan, palpal, difficult shot, rebound by Salud. Candol, nakapasok. Nagmamadirect, 3-on-1 situation. Candol, pops up, wala. Labrado, binabatayan, Salud. Chodilac, 7 minutes lang. Hep muna. Pops up, wala. One more time. Chodilac. Zagire, Chodilac sa ilalim. 2-point Chodilac. Nice D sana. But still Chodilac finding a way to put away the ball. And now Lisbo. Tap. Pagya. Pops up. Aspan. No good. Chodilac with the rebound. Foul on Lisbo. Penalty situation, do Ignite. Chodilac shooting for 2. Chodilac first shot. Yes, there is shot. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 7, Chodilac, shooting for the second free throw. Laman po na 10 ang Team Airport United. Laban na lumisa na ngayon. Finally, a double digit na been posted also by Team Airport United. Pops up po tayo. Ito na, Lasinggayo to Lisbo for 3. Ayaw niya muna. For 3 ngayon. Bang! 3 points. 8-point lead muli po. Kalamangan na lang muli niyang Airport United. At 4 minutes 11 remaining. Zagire, Labrado, natin papasanto, Candol, Chodilac mo posisyon. Candol driving strong. Labrado, wala. And lost the ball. Timeout call by Team Airport United. Time remaining, 3 minutes 55 remaining. Fourth quarter action. This is war. Tingnan nyo po ha, ito pa maglalaban mamaya. Magandang laban yan. Championship match po tayo. Mamaya, blue versus white. In-flight versus CAS. Yan ba ang parang yung preview po sa ating next season ng Standard League po ng Aviation Friendly League? Malalaman natin yan after 3 minutes 55 remaining ng shot ng kwartong ito. Ipon po. Ayun, ipon po. Ipon. Sige po. Sige po, sige po. Hey! Pops up! Wak! Pasok! Manalo 2 points. 65-60. Oy! Di mo na siya, ha? Salud. Posisyon. Nope. It's SG. Handol. 3 minutes 32 remaining. Chudilax. Picking a pick. Kandol. Labrado! Kapos! Up! Stepping on the line. Yan ang hindi na-shoot ni Labrado noong karang linggo. Kaya nakapasok ang in-flight sa championship. Ganyan na ganyan yun. SG. Bantay sarado na. Labrado. Labrado. Nakawala. To Chudilax. Chudilax. Thinking 3. Ayun kay SG. 2 points SG. Nice cut by SG. 3 minutes remaining. Lisbo. Pops up. Wala ka po. Sayang. Labrado. Labrado, what you doing, my man? Ano ginagawa mo? Ginagawa mo. Okay. Medyo pagod na po talaga po ang Team Ignite. See, yung kanilang papansya, they're breathing in already. Scroll in the wall. Counter steal. Pops up. Difficult shot. It's good. Lumalaban pa rin si Manalo para sa Do Ignite. Now they're going now for a pick for a trap defense. Labrado. Kandol. Now milking the clock. 4 to shoot. Foul. Ouch. Penalty situation. Team Ignite. 2 minutes 5 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Kandol, first shot. Pass. Wala. Second shot, Kandol. Jumper ready po tayo. Expect war tonight. This is war. Kandol. Pops up. Basket made. Anim ang kalamangan. Huwag sila magpakampante. Mayroong mga birador ang Ignite. Penalty situation. Both teams now in penalty. Manalo shooting for 2. Manalo shooting for 2. Pops up. Out. Second shot. Pops up. Basket made. Handol. Kickball. Traveling violation call. Sayang. Nice D by Mr. Nasingayo, number 26. Nice D. Chance again to clean the ball game. And a timeout called by Team Airport United. O, Kapitan. Timeout Airport United. Wala siya. Wala lang siya. Si Namawa. Back to the ball game. 5-1, 68, 6-3. Lamang po na 5 lang ang Airport United. A minute and 54 remaining. Even there are only 6 persons. Ang Ignite po still fighting. As if no more tomorrow para sa kanila. Nasinggayo. Battle for third pa lang po ito. Nasyonggayo. Bantay against Salud. Manalo. And one play. Pero stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Aray. Ouch. Tough break. Kandol. Labrado. Driving strong. Binabantay ni Lisbo. Salud. High post. Kandol. A minute and 30 remaining. Foul! Penalty situation. They go for the chance to test their luck in the free throw line. Both teams are in penalty. Pinaw na lang muna ni Manalo si Kandol para matihinto po ang shot clock. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Kandol, second throw. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Salud. 2 points, Salud. Shit. 2 points, Salud. 8. Malalim. Nakuleshi. Grama. Traveling violation called by the referee. Travel. Chance again to trim back the lead. To trim down the lead to 6 points or 5 points. A minute and 9 remaining. Lisbo. Bantay for 3. Nope. Aspan. Power move. 2 points, Aspan. Grama. Chudilax. Kandol against Bantay. Foul. Again, Kandol on the line. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Kandol, second throw. Out. Lisbo for 3. No good. Rebound by Labrado. Nakuha. Out of bounds. Blue ball. 32 seconds remaining. Okay. 32 seconds. Chudilax. Nakalusot. Stall. Pops up. 3 points. 21 seconds remaining. One more time. Manalo 2 points. What a stroke of luck. 6 points in a matter of less than 30 seconds. No more timeout na para sa Airport United. Do Ignite, they will go again for the trap. Labrado. Chudilax sa kalusot. Labrado. Salud. And one play. Salud. I think that's it. 8 seconds remaining. Basket made. Nice defense. Number 75 personal fouls, graduate. Jamuyot for number 17. Salud for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. That's it, I think so. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Final score 75-70. Winning the third place po is Airport United over Doha Ignite. Before we end po tayo, kasabay po tayo, meron pong awardings po dito, of course. To call in now the stalwarts po ng this season. Nice game for both teams po. Candol and company, nice game. Group photo. Pakibalance sir, pakibalance. Pakibalance sir, Sir Ali, Sir Salud. Pakibalance po. Compress. Okay, final score 75-70. Winner by 5 points. And also, second place runner po tayo is Airport United. Pakibalance po. Ang dami nyo dyan. Bululubog kayo. Yan. Airport United. Meron pa nga tsaka awarding po tayo. Yan. Team po to ng committee rin po.
Together with our commissioner, the
Awarding also.
third place. Bigay na lang. Bigay na lang to. Second round. Balance tayo.
Third place winner by 7-70, Team Airport United. Accepting also trophy and of course, cash prize coming from the commissioner is also based from the game po is si Mr. Salud.
Okay,
Thank you very
1,
much.
2, 3. Alright, okay.
Salud. Before we go, Sir Salud, sige po. Congratulations. Kahit sabihin natin medyo di natin inaasahan, dapat nandito kayo sa champ, pero it's still best prep rin po kayo. Of course, third place runner po kayo. Ano masabi po, Sir? Sige po.
Patawakan mo to.
Hawa mo yan.
Salamat ako.
Thank you po.
Both teams, walang na-injury.
Yung maganda rin po yun.
Naging masayang laban. Nabigyan namin. Ginawa lang namin yung part namin. Sa una, medyo nahirapan kami.
Talaga, halatado talaga.
Pero yung second half, ayun.
Nakita kasi natin kasi since na medyo depleted sila, ang ginawa nila, tinambakan nila kayo ng dapat tambakan para pagkatang fourth quarter talaga, medyo malaki-laki pa ang lamang nila. Pero at least na doon yun pala.
Tapos ayun, nag-stick lang kami sa defense namin. Talagang dinoble namin yung defense namin para hanggang sa huli ang gusto natin.
Okay. Sir, ito tanong sir, what to expect na para sa Airport United on the coming AFL Aviation Friendly po this coming August? Sige po, sir.
Ayun, paghahandaan namin yun. Gusto namin makabawi. Sayang.
Okay, yan po. Again po. Sige, sir. 1 minute shoutout po, sir. Sige po.
Shoutout sa Airport United.
Sige po.
Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Qatar Friendly Game. Salamat, God bless. Yun lang. Thank you.
O, tela, that's business salute po. Kanina si Entro po. Pumalay po sa Airport United.